Bless me with the luck. Adam, think much you'll follow. True. Italian luck, you'll get Jorginho. That'd be amazing. 24k FIFA points, 100k pack. Oh, I'm just hopeful. I am just hopeful. I'm just hopeful. 12 of these. Oh, starting off with an old board. It's fine. It's building up. It's building up. Replenishing the club, this is. TY, thank much I follow. Right. We're not gonna rush. We're not gonna rush. We're just gonna take up. What's up? Hey, not much, Sam. Oh, Lords of Ryan Reynolds, bless you. I should have a picture of Ryan Reynolds to just help me. L, thank you. Hatters, so much for follow. When I'm dancing, hey yeah. Ryan Reynolds shall help us. 84 plus pack at 84. Georgie. Hey, Ryan Reynolds with the luck. Look, there he is, looking so handsome. Ryan Reynolds! Well, there's one. There's one. What? That's so weird. That's so weird. That is a little bit weird, but we move. Have you got any tips on how I can make some coins? I'm not sure, really. How much is he? Oh, wow, he's 100k. He looks sick. I'm going to offload him, though. I'm going to offload him. Better when I'm dancing. Hey, yeah. Hey, Ryan Reynolds can help me a lot more. He can stay for life. He's incredible, is he? I want to get him untradeable. All right, walk out. A Kanji. What a card, by the way, might add. What a card. It's not Team of the Year. Hey, it basically is. It basically is. That team. That is a. We're counting. Well, it's one. It's for the prediction. So. All right, eight packs left. Damn. 86 video Neymar. Neymar 100. Neymar 100. When I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Right, 365. Watch this be 1.2 mil when we pack a Team of the Year. Oh, it's a nominee. It's English Cam. Walker. We were just talking about him. He is Ryan. This is pack like a king. We've just got Walker. Payout. Will we pack 2 or more? Yes, we will. Dubs for the believers. How much is Walker? Oh wow, 130. Hey, we'll take 130 or 110. Wait, 108. Easy points. Hell yeah. So dub for Walker. Big dubs for Walker. Hey, I swear Icardi's in every single one. So you're telling me I open the 86s and I get better in these 100s? Fabinho. We want Team of the Year. We do want a Team of the Year. I hope one is coming, but we can only dream. We can only dream. We have 5 left, I believe. Ryan Reynolds. Come on, give us some luck. Oh, big walkout though. English, left wing, Sterling, Raheem the Dream. And, oh wow, Thiago Silva. Let's go. Couple of informs, PK. Don't mind that. Nah, 26k. Further. Oh, well, alive. Come on, I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Another big walkout. It's probably Courtois. It is Courtois. Drop bench. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. How can I make it because this year where I love the content? Just invest when you can. Right, last 3. Last 3. This is huge. It's last 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's another nominee. Who is it? Mendy. I've got him 3 times. That's my goalie. That's my goalie. About it, boy. Oh, your life. Right, last 2. Can we get any more? Any more for any more? No, it's a walkout though, so it's all down to the last one. Right, hold on. I've got an idea, lads. Wait. I've got an idea, I've got an idea. I have an idea, I have an idea. Right, for the last one. For the last one. Here he is. He's here to help. He's here to help. N'Golo Kante. Silo, thank you much for follow. What do you think about Phil Jones getting into ball? Fair. For big Kante, there he is. There he is. Right. For Kante. Last one. Last one. Get out my school. Yeah. N'Golo Kante did nothing for me. Pass it on.